Yeah, dear ladies and gentlemen, dear audience, warm greetings from my side. My name is Martin Wagner. I am professor for wastewater technology at Darmstadt University of Technology, and I work here as a professor, but all in all I am working at Institute IWA, that's the name of our university. I work around about 40 years. I want first give you a short introduction of the WTE, the water treatment course here at the VGU, and I will give you very short the program objective. That is a study of TU Darmstadt, the study program of TU Darmstadt at VGU, with a lot of professors from Germany, but also a lot of professors here from Vietnam. And there is one uniqueness here of this study course, and that is the reuse of wastewater. The reuse of wastewater, that is very important in future for all human beings. As you know, we have a lot of problems that people have not enough water. Not enough water means they cannot live in big cities, they cannot produce food, and they have no chance to work in industry, because no industry can run without water. And therefore we have to look in the study course for all aspects of reuse water, but before you can reuse water, it is necessary to produce a very good treated wastewater. And after that you can produce reuse water for agricultural purposes, for industrial purposes, or last but not least, and a good example is Singapore, you can produce drinking water for all human beings. That is necessary to know that all the students we have in the course have to learn analytics, to analyze wastewater and also drinking water for all parameters which are important for dimensioning waterworks, for dimensioning wastewater treatment plants, or dimensioning reuse water plants, which is very important in the future. All the students will learn all the equipments we have here at VGU University. I said before, we have 7 to 8 German lecturers which are come as a flying faculty to Vietnam to give lecture for around about 2 weeks. In the next week we learn examples, and last but not least there is an examination for all the students. More and more Vietnamese lecturers will give their own lectures. German lecturers hand over the content of the lectures, and so you will get in future a good course with the help of Vietnamese lecturers. Because our course is very internationally, we think it is necessary that students from Vietnam will come to Germany to learn here at university, but also in German companies, and therefore we are looking for scholarships from German Academic Exchange Service. That is an exchange service that students can come to Germany, but we also give money for scholarships when students are studying here in Vietnam at VGU. Last but not least, I want to give you some ideas because of your career after you finish your course with a master degree. What can you do? You can work by international consultants. You also can work by NGOs or, for example, in the Vietnamese government. So you are free because you have a very good education, and therefore I'm sure that you have a good future and will make a good career in your life. Thank you very much for your attention. I will be happy as your academic director, and I hope you will come to VGU to study water technology. Thank you very much.